Hi, hello. So I am Sujit Manigandan here. So I'm currently a master student pursuing applied computer science at Concordia University. Give a short introduction about myself. So I like develop full stack web applications and deploy them using cloud, especially AWS. And like I have been doing this for the past 2 years through various personal projects, and I also have developed a recent interest in fine tuning and training deep learning models for specific use cases. So today I'll be demonstrating a short project that I made by fine tuning a Whisper model from OpenAI. So you could see the website over here. So this front end website I completely built it using Lovable. So Lovable is a code AI editor. You would have known about that. So by prompting Lovable, I got this beautiful front end over here. So you could see the Hugging Face models that I have. So these are the models that I worked on before. So I just take these NLP models from Hugging Face and just fine tune them for specific use cases. So today I'll be showing the demonstration of this particular model. So this is the Whisper medium model that I fine tuned for the Tamil language. So this Tamil language is a South Indian language, which is a low source language. So I just gathered data set from various sources and fine tuned it for the sake. So I'm going to show you the demonstration of a live speech recognition model for this Tamil language over here through this website. So I have hosted this website on Amazon S3. So to give you a short introduction on the React app, so I have the app over here. So this just has the audio form. So on going through the audio form, you could see that so we have the file. So we as we provide the file and click on transcribe audio, so we have this Axios function call. So this just sends the file to the backend server. So that backend server is done using Fast API. So going into the backend app, so you could see the app. So this is the app. So I have the Fast API backend app created over here. So this is the API endpoint transcribe audio. So it just takes the uploaded file and then it runs the pipeline of the model. So you could see the pipeline is taken from Hugging Face. So I have given my repository over here. So it's under my name, Sujit013, Whisper Medium Tamil model. So this pipeline runs and then the API returns the file name followed by the transcription. So I'll just click on this upload audio file right now. So these are some of the example audio files that I used for training and testing purpose. I'll just click on one of them and I'll just open this and I'll click on transcribe audio. It's gonna take a while, so until then I'll show you the rest of them. So you have the Docker over here. So you could see the Fast API that I have. So this is the backend Fast API that I created. I've created the Docker image over here, and what I did is that I pushed the Docker image to Docker Hub. So you could see this repository that is under my name. So this is the latest image that I deployed it for Fast API. And moving on to the Amazon service, so you could see I deployed the Docker image on the Elastic Container Service of Amazon. So I have the Fast API server here, and in the task definition you would find my Fast API transcribe service. So this is the service that actually takes the image and makes it into a container. So in this cluster I have this Fast API server Tamil ASR, and then going in there I have a service running right now. So once I click on this service and go to the task section, I could see the tasks that are currently running. So if I click on the logs, you could see the tasks that I had got. So I have the Unicon app running the Fast API backend server, and I have the transcription. I also already made a transcription for one of the files before. So coming to the front end part, I hosted the site on Amazon S3 as I told you before. So going into the general purpose buckets, you could see the in the case of front end bucket over here. So if I click on properties and scroll down, you could see the bucket website endpoint. So this is the endpoint. On clicking, you get the bucket. However, like the S3 bucket is actually HTTP service. So if you want it as HTTPS service, you would have to use Amazon's CloudFront. So this CloudFront, what it does is that it just takes the S3 buckets static website and it just does content delivery. over HTTPS. So you could see the HTTPS domain that I have here for CloudFront. So once I copy the CloudFront and paste it over here, you could see that now I have a HTTPS website as opposed to the HTTP website which I got from hosting it on Amazon S3. So if you want HTTPS, you could go with Amazon CloudFront. But right now I will be working only with S3 because the backend is on HTTP request. So we cannot really send a request from a HTTPS frontend to a HTTP backend. So now you could see in the website that I've got the transcription output over here. So this is the audio file and the transcription output in the Tamil language. So if I go into the task log section of the backend fast API and let me click on refresh. So now you could see the same text that has been shown over here. So I've just logged this as the output in my fast API app. So you could see the text and the same text matches over here as well. So the text that was logged in the fast API server, it's equal to the one that is present and given to us in the front end. So this is how the entire pipeline works for the fast API server. So this is a short demonstration on my project where I fine-tuned a model from Whisper Medium for the Tamil language and then built the front and the back end sites using Lovable and hosted them on AWS. Thank you.